Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about how to disable your microphone in Zoom part 1. Another option that will ensure you another option that will ensure you are muted in Zoom is to disable your microphone directly. Your microphone directly via the system settings. Via the system settings. This option is only available on PC or Mac. If you are using Android or iOS, you could consider not allowing your Zoom app microphone permissions when the pop-up appears. To disable your microphone on Windows. Number 1, press the Windows key plus I to open settings. Press the Windows key plus I to open settings. Click system. Click system. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.